Let's look at how we can actually add a contact from the emails that we have received. You probably want to add that contact into your Google contacts. So all you do is just point to the name of the person there outside the email. You can also open the email and then point to the name of the person. We just go to that icon which adds contacts. So once you click it there, it will automatically add your contacts into Google Contacts. But at the same time, the question is, what if I want to edit it? What if I want to access it? Just go to your extreme right, click where it says contacts on that. And then we might just need to refresh this part because it hadn't been updated. So let's just refresh a bit and you see it appear. As you can see there, we now have that contact Google Workspace team. Say I want to edit and put a different name there. This is how you do it. You just click on it and then you go scroll down. It's just showing the interactions you have had with this person, the emails. So you click add phone number and then you can actually type in the phone number as you can see there. You can also change the name there. Brenda L. Pog. We have added the name there, and all we have to do is to click save, and the details will be updated. So as you can see now, it is now renamed and it's now in your Google Contacts. You can actually delete them by just clicking that icon. You can put it as a starred contact so that you can easily access it. But when you finish, you can see that the person has been renamed. So this is how you add contacts from your emails.